G'day, Paul and Kyle here from OEM Audio, showing you a new unit we've made for the very latest Suzuki Swift. So this model's been out since about 2017. We've made a new frame and everything that looks pretty cool. Now we've sold lots of units with big frames and everything like this, but this one we've made especially for the Swift. It's pretty cool. Well, if you look at the camera, it's a big, huge 9-inch screen, and it looks pretty cool. It's got CarPlay in it, but we'll go back to that in a second. On your radio, you've got their latest user interface. You can auto store. It has RDS, so it'll say the names of the stations you've saved. And if you want to key in a new station, if you're going out of town, you can actually type in the frequency you want. If you know, say for example, you listen to the Rock or ZM or FM out of town, you can actually just type in the number rather than search for it. So that's a pretty cool feature. The camera, as you saw, works near instantaneously. You've got Bluetooth audio, you've got Bluetooth phone, and it's got CarPlay. Now a lot of our units have got CarPlay and everything in them too, which is pretty cool. But I'm going to press the CarPlay button here, and you're going to see my phone here, and it's wireless. So completely and utterly wireless. So you can do everything instantly. There's no lag. Your phone's in there. You don't have to plug it in or anything like that. You can go straight in to there, and it'll start playing your favourite songs. I personally can't stand Oasis. I don't know why they're on a list there. And you can do everything. Your track changes and everything work from your steering wheel controls. Volume goes up and down from the steering wheel controls. You can send and receive phone calls. You can use Google Maps off your iPhone, or no cable attached. So it's a pretty cool feature, and you see it works near instantly when you turn the unit on. And they're just awesome pieces of kit. You can use Apple Maps if you prefer, and we've got everything working down to your phone, all your buttons on the steering wheel, and they look dead set factory, because in quite a few countries these devices are a factory extra or supplied piece of kit. So these are pretty cool. And if you watch next, the next thing we're going to show in the next video, which is going to come up in about 5 seconds, is another wireless feature we're very proud of. Is this Android Auto. Now we've got lots of devices that do Android Auto. This is the first one we've got. It's completely and utterly wireless. So we've had a call from one of our customers. So you can use Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and it's all wireless. So again, your Google Maps are wireless. Your Spotify is all quick, easy to go. You can change tracks on the steering wheel. You can drop the volume down. You can do everything on Apple CarPlay, and for the first time we've ever had it, Android Auto is wireless. Again, there's no wires attached, there's nothing. You just got to connect it up, and it works brilliantly, first time, every time. So these units are available shortly for Suzuki Swift, available from us here at 18 College Street in Sydenham. We can buy from us online at oemaudio.co.nz, or give us a call on 0508 636 283 for your Android Auto and Apple CarPlay wireless versions for a Swift.